Richard King, wonderful performance from you today. You stopped a lot of opportunity from Arnett Gardens. You organized the back line, you do a lot of stuff today. I don't know, you didn't get mad much, but you know your partner in crime, Len, got it. Sum up your game for us today.
Well, it's not really much of a my game, it's really a team game. You know, we work together out there, we communicate and talk, so that's how we can nullify what they're coming with.
Again, into the final versus Mount Pleasant. How is the feelings like right now? Are you the crowd in the dressing room shouting and celebrating? What's the feeling like going into the game?
Well, not much of a celebration, it's just back to the training ground and work towards that game.
How have you gotten better over the years? Because you have been so consistent that it's almost like you can do whatever you want, whenever you want, and just continue being so brilliant.
It's just hard work, honestly. It's not talent every time, it's just hard work on and off the pitch. So, yeah.
How easy or difficult is it to lead a set of young men? I know that there's many stars, yourself busy, and the names go on and on. How do you keep the set of your players grounded?
Well, we've been playing together about 5 years now, going 6, so we really have a spirit between amongst us, so it's not really that hard, to be honest.
King, I was watching a play in the midfield where technically a lot of people would say that you're not that technical, but you show brilliance, 3 persons tackling you, that flick, and then that pass to go with it. Talk us through your mindset when you're playing.
Well, it's just to do anything it takes to win, you know, help the team, so it's that.
That was cool, dude.
Yeah.
Thanks very much. Continue to put in the good work. Looking forward to seeing you in the final versus Mount Pleasant.
Thank you.